Blogs are becoming very popular on the internet as a great marketing and money-making tool. Blogs continue to grow more in popularity, both with the internet users community and with the search engines. Google loves blogs. This statement is 100% true if you see the importance given by Google to blogs in their search engine rankings. Content is the king of any internet website, which is also true with blogs. When creating a blog, please make sure that you are writing it with an informative style, since most of the internet users land up in your blog by searching in a search engine with an information-seeking intention in mind. After you have added quality content to your blog, you must be curious to know about the ways to generate income from your blog. There are many ways to monetize your blog, but in my experience, it is always best to stick to the proven and profitable methods of generating income from blogs. I will explain these two methods in detail in the following lines. 1. Affiliate programs. You have to choose affiliate programs that are contextually matching to your blog content. Then you have to include your affiliate links in your blog content in a contextual manner. For example, if your blog content is about romance, you can include the affiliate links of ClickBank Information Products, which talks about romance and marriage. By the way, what is ClickBank? ClickBank is the leading retailer of digital products about almost all the subjects in this world. 2. Google Adsense. When you want to generate income from your blog, it will be always profitable to place Google AdSense ads on your blog. Google AdSense is a program which will include contextually matching ads to your content, and also they will pay you money if the users of your blog clicks on these ads. Users don't need to buy anything, they just have to make a click. This will get you from a few cents to a few dollars per click, and you can make hundreds of dollars per month in Google AdSense. There is a third way of making money from your blog, which is nothing but selling your own information products. Once you start writing the blog, you will gain more experience in writing. Later, you can use your writing skill to write your own information products on your favorite subjects. You can sell these products in your blog itself. Start building quality content in your blog and combine it with affiliate programs and AdSense. You are on your way to become a top blogger who can earn money from blogging. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up like to this video.